In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Shopify store. If you no longer need your store or want to pause your subscription, Shopify allows you to deactivate your store directly from the settings. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, select Plan to view your current Shopify subscription. On the Plan page, you will see information about your active plan and billing details. To cancel your Shopify store, scroll down and click on Deactivate Store. Shopify may ask you to provide a reason for leaving and confirm your decision before proceeding. If you do not see the Deactivate Store option, it may be because you are currently on Shopify's free trial. In my case, I am on the 3-day free trial plan, so the option is not available. Once you are on a paid Shopify plan, you should see the Deactivate Store option at the bottom of the plan page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation process. Once confirmed, your Shopify store will be cancelled, and customers will no longer be able to access it. That's how you can cancel your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.